I purchased this electric wax warmer about 6 months ago, and I wanted to compare it to my traditional wax warmer or furnace. And as much as I love it, there are some issues I have with the soot that comes from the candle and the smoke that results from the wax. So I was intrigued to find out that there was an electric version of the wax warmer. There's several things I really like about this item. First, I like how there's an on-off switch, so I don't have to unplug and plug it in all the time. I can just leave it plugged in, and when I turn it on, there's an indicator light letting me know that it's on. I'm also impressed at how quickly the warmer melts the wax. I'll time-lapse this portion of the video, but that actually took about 4 minutes to melt those wax beads. The wax warmer also comes with these precision tweezers, which I use a lot when I'm making my floral wax seals. The one thing I wish I could figure out is how to stop the wax from spilling underneath the spoon and transferring to the actual warmer. But I do like how there's a lip for the spoon that keeps it securely in the warmer. With this warmer, there's no need for a candle, there's no soot, and there's no smoking. It really is a cleaner and neater way to pour wax seals. So I hope you found this overview helpful. I think if you're a wax seal maker, you should give this item a try.